Watching one video, you will get 61 cents. Watching second video will earn you 32 cents. Watching third video will get you 47 cents, and so on and so forth. And using the trick shown in this video, you can make $2.48 every minute watching YouTube videos. And this works in every country: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, India, Philippines, and all countries around the world. And in the end of this video, I will show you a bonus trick that will help you to make $600 a day in pure passive income using this new website. So step number 1 is to come over to this website where you can earn money by watching YouTube videos online. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but before that, I want to show you how this website actually works. So, you watch videos such as commercial ads, YouTube videos, movies, and TV and all. Or you can earn $1 per refer whenever someone joins the site using your link. And once you reach the minimum amount in your account, you can transfer the money to your bank account, PayPal account, and other withdrawal options available here. Over 1,500 brands, including these ones featured here, have partnered up with this website so that they can offer you new videos each and every time. You can read more about this website if you want to by clicking on About Us option on top right corner of the site. Otherwise, to get started with this website, just click on this sign up button over here. Now all you have to do is enter your first name, last name, your birthday, your gender, email address, and password. Next, make sure you tick this CAPTCHA and then click on create account. As you can see, we have received $5 as a sign up bonus to my account. That's awesome. Now let me show you how we can earn even more money to our account. So as you can see on the left hand side, there are 5 videos which we can watch. Starting with the first video, we will get 61 cents for watching this video, which you can see on the screen right now. So let us click on the play button on this video. Immediately we are going to be shown an ad, so we simply close it and click on the play button again. The video will start to play, but we do not have to watch the whole video. We just watch it for 34 seconds. As the video is playing, look out for the countdown timer that shows the amount of time remaining. When the seconds are up, we will just click on complete button under the video and we will be shown another ad, but we will simply close it and click on complete button again. And on our dashboard, a message will appear that says successfully completed. You have received 61 cents. All we have to do now is to refresh the page so that the amount can reflect in our account. So as you can see, our account balance has become $5.61. Now, I want you to repeat the process for video 2, 3, 4, and 5. So just click on the second video. We are going to be shown an ad again, so we simply close it and click on the play button again. The video will start to play, so just wait for 34 seconds to complete. Then just click on complete button under the video and we will be shown another ad, but we will simply close it and click on complete button again. So after refreshing the page again, we can see that now my account balance is $5.93. However, one thing you must have noticed is that you can only watch 5 videos in every 24-hour period. So, if you click on first or second video again, it will show you that this video will be available after 24 hours. But do not worry, I will show you how you can still make $2.48 every minute again and again. But before that, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below your country name from where you are watching this video right now so that I can make more videos for you and others watching from your country. So step number 2, for making $2.48 again and again with these 5 videos only, all you have to do is create several accounts on this website. For example, you can create 5 to 10 accounts. One account will earn you 61 cents, plus 32 cents, plus 47 cents, plus 52 cents, plus 56 cents. And this will give us a total of $2.48 in less than a minute. So, if you have 10 accounts, you will earn a total of $24.80 within a few minutes, easily and effortlessly. Don't worry if you do not have a lot of email addresses, because here is a bonus tip just for you to create multiple accounts. Let me show you something real quick, but first let me log out of my account. And we can start the process of creating a new account by clicking on sign up again. Now on next page, you can just enter a different first name, last name, birthday, and gender. When we get to the email address box, here is what you have to do when you have just one email address. Previously we used videomaster78901@gmail.com. If we try to use it again, the site will say the email is taken. Try another. So here is the trick. All you have to do is put a dot right here, and it will be accepted. As you can see, we have just created a brand new account using the same email. Actually, you can put a dot anywhere on the email address, here, or even here. All these variations will be accepted. And the good thing about this is that all the emails that will be sent to the email variations, which I just showed you, will be redirected to the original email address, which is videomaster78901@gmail.com. That is how Google works, and it is a trick that many people don't know. Now, to make $600 in pure passive income, step number 3 is, I want you to go to the top right corner and hover your mouse on my account. Then just select the referral option from there. We will be taken to this page where you can see that every time someone signs up using our link, we will earn $1 per referral. Now the name of this site is called wintub.com. I will leave the link to this website in the description of this video, so you can easily find this website and start making money with this. Now, let me share with you the secret bonus trick that you can use in order to be able to get thousands of people online who will register through your referral link so that you can make $600 a day in complete passive income. But before that, subscribe to my friend's channel, Finance Girl. She is uploading latest and working make money online videos. I will leave a link to her channel in the description of this video. Okay, so for this step, let us go over to facebook.com and in the search box, search for make money online and press enter. Now let us scroll down a little bit and select the groups option from here and then select public groups right here. This will help to find various public groups which are open for anyone to use. And the good thing is that we don't need any permission to join the groups, and we can easily join any one of these groups. For example, if I click on this group right here, I will be taken to this page where I can see a lot of posts with various offers to make money online. So all you have to do is to create a post just like this one here. As you can see, this person created a post few hours ago, and they got a good amount of likes and comments on their post from people who are interested. So, if only 600 people out of thousands of people from this group sign up using your referral link, you will be making an easy $600 a day on wintub.com. Now let me show you the best way to create a Facebook post for our referral link in this group. So let us click right here. So I am going to write, I earned $80 from this site by just watching ads. It is totally free. Just comment how below and I will send you the details. And now for the image, let us go to Google and search for Wintub proof of payment. Let us click on images option right here. We are going to see all these images which contains the proof of payment from Wintub. And because we had written $80 payment in our post, let us select this image right here with $80 as payment proof. Save this image to your computer device. Then next, we will go back to Facebook and click right here to attach the image we just downloaded. So this is how the post will look like. You can repeat this process in several other make money online Facebook groups. And trust me, after some time, you will earn a lot of money, even more money than $600 a day. And in the starting, you can just try to get about 20 to 30 people to sign up every day, which means you will making about $600 to $900 per month from a simple Facebook posts. And to withdraw your earnings from this website, all you have to do is hover your mouse on my account again and select withdraw option from there. It will take you to this page where you can see that they have basically 4 options for you to withdraw your earnings. Western Union has a minimum limit of $100. PayPal has a minimum of $80, as well as WebMoney and Payoneer also has a minimum threshold limit of $80. And once you reach the threshold limit, all you have to do is click on the withdraw button and set up your account. You will receive the money in your account, and earning $80 is very easy if you consistently follow both the methods shown in this video. That's it for today. Like the video if you got some value out of it, and if you want to make even more money watching YouTube video, then click on the right video showing on the screen. Thanks for watching.